All right, guys, thank you so much for getting back to our channel and watching yet another video. Behind me, we have a brand new 2026 BMW M4 Competition. The customer had purchased this vehicle in black, knowing for sure that he was gonna wrap it in a different color. So that's what we recommend doing. If you plan on wrapping your vehicles, go with a black base because it makes it much easier and it looks much better when you get to the door jambs, when you get to certain edges and corners, because black hides well and it creates a very nice contrast. With that being said, the vehicle is getting taken apart. So there's a few things we're taking apart. Door handles, side vents here. The rear taillights are coming out. A few other pieces are getting disassembled. And in the meantime, while that is happening, obviously the vehicle was already prepped. You get the gist of it. Wash, decon, clay bar, all that good stuff is now all done. Me and Sebastian are working on the gloss black parts. So like your mirrors, your gloss black accents here, and things throughout the vehicle. So that will get wrapped and protected first, including headlights. And then we're gonna jump in and actually put some color on this vehicle. So stay tuned as we're gonna reveal the color. We're gonna show you the brand that we're using, and cannot wait to show you the finished result of this beautiful M4 competition. All right, you guys ready for this? So what we got here is One PPF Lava Orange. It's gonna look like an individual color essentially, but look at that. Yeah, it's ultra high gloss, 7-year warranty, looks amazing. You can ceramic coat it if you would like. Check that out. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna start off with the biggest panel, which is gonna be the hood. We're gonna bulk it. Hopefully the video is picking up the color of it. I know it's orange, so it could be like a bright orange, a little bit of red, orange, but looks sick. Very nice. This material comes with a cap sheet as well. You do have to remove it. We are going to modify the patterns. Beautiful thing about the black is that when you pop that door open and you see that jam, it's not gonna be as a drastic change. So it'll complement each other very well, and it's gonna look pretty darn good. But anyways, stay tuned and let us know what you think. Got a lot of the vehicle done. What we're doing right now is getting the rear bumper prepped. As you can see, we don't have it fully removed, but it is loosened up around the edges here, so we'll be able to roll the film in nicely. The gloss black is all done here, so we're gonna jump on the main color piece. Sensors were deleted, so they were deleted here and then here. So the film is going to go over it, unlike vinyl, because this is much thicker material. It will leave a little bit of an air channel gap around here, but it's not gonna crack over time as opposed to vinyl wrap. We left these in as well, and what we're gonna do is wrap these also, so it's gonna be a nice clean look. Delete the reflectors so they'll be color matched, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, the taillights are out. They pop out fairly easily on these vehicles if you know what you're doing. Like I said, we're gonna roll this. Again, if you plan on wrapping your vehicle, try to shoot for a black card. A darker base makes it much easier to wrap, work with, a little more cost effective, and it just looks much better. For example, when you pop your trunk up and you have your gloss black showing here, it's not as annoying to look at compared to, let's say, if it was white, red, or like a yellow. Foreshadowing, we have another yellow M4 coming in for a color change wrap. So that one is going to be a much bigger task. It'll take longer to do. It'll require tons of disassembly. So stay tuned for that video because that color is going to be insane. Completely different. Have not done one of those yet. But what's also nice about here is we're going to feed the material in. We're going to lay it all in here. And what's super cool is that we can get away with stopping it right on that groove. We don't have to worry about bubbling here in the future. It's just gonna lay right in very, very nicely. Once that trunk closes, you will not even see this color coming through at all because it's black. Again, it's gonna hide very, very nice. We're hoping to have majority of this all done today. So essentially 2 to 3 days to have this vehicle fully done with 2 people and a technician that can disassemble it. With that being said, let's jump on applying some more film. Can't wait to show you the final finished results outside in the sunlight.
I just want to be in the zone.
It wasn't even stuck on. Every BMW is like that.
I just want to be in the zone.
All right, guys, well, this is gonna be the final update that we're gonna give you. The car is officially fully wrapped. Everything's been tucked, post-heated, wrapped, coming all the way at the bottom. We just have a couple floating edges like right there that we're gonna work the corners out, tuck them very, very nicely, trim up a couple corners as well, like right here. We're also gonna go ahead and throw on the windshield film. And essentially this car is pretty much done. Mike will jump on and throw on the carbon front splitter right there as well for us. I give it one more look over, let it sit outside for just a little bit, bake a little bit in the sun, and essentially get it done and ready for pickup. So I can't wait to show you guys. Once everything is wrapped, we're gonna go through and just give you a good walk around of how this vehicle turned out. But what do you think? So this is the color. I think it looks incredible, looks very, very good, fits the car very, very well, just makes it pop that much more. So not a whole lot of orange cars out there, especially BMW, so I think this was a great choice that the customer had decided to go with. So with that being said, let's knock out the windshield. Filming away. All right, guys. We have the BMW M4 all wrapped in this beautiful, beautiful orange color. It looks amazing. It looks fantastic. I feel like it wears this color extremely well, right? BMW does a great job with that. So a few things that we wanted to point out to you. We did cut out the sensors here. The black actually looks good. It flows with the vehicle very, very well. That way we're not gonna worry about any bubbling right in this area there. The front lip looks extremely good, very, very nice. Badges we swapped that as well to the 50th anniversary. Windshield film was installed as well. So we have XPEL windshield protection done there. Obviously the carbon roof was wrapped as well in clear paint protection film along with your carbon here, your side skirts, and part of the rear diffuser as well. And of course you got your rear spoiler as well that is wrapped in paint protection film. So soak it in, enjoy it. I hope you guys love this color just as much as we do. Can't wait to wrap another one of these. We do have one on the schedule. That one is going to be even crazier. Some of you might like it, some of you might not, but leave a comment down below. Super thrilled. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care.